recalls about this our previous grammatical structures. Coba kita akan review ya. It's a part of our grammatical structures before. This looks like present tense. And I'm gonna check it about that you still remember about our present tense or not yet. By giving this I'm gonna give you about the several books of vocabulary. Di sini ada beberapa kosakata ya teman-teman ya. Nanti silahkan buat nih menjadi sebuah kalimat verbal ya. Jadi kalau verbal sentence kita gunakan ketika ada kata kerja di dalamnya nih. Okay, that you could find it about the several verbs here. Ada boil, ada calculate, ada catch ya, ada entertain, and also there is a fault ya. Jadi, as we could find it about this one. And don't forget if the subject is looks like a she, he, it. Jadi jangan lupa ketika subjeknya she, he, it atau satu nama orang bisa ditambahkan verb s ya teman-teman ya. Atau ada yang mau dikombine dengan materi kita yang kemarin ketika kita menggunakan my, your, her, or maybe his, or maybe if you want to put it looks like their. Nah, itu juga bisa teman-teman. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan yang verb s nih. But kalau kita mau menggunakan kalimat negatif ya, kalau ada tidaknya. Jadi kalau she, he, it, timnya menggunakan doesn't. Dan juga bisa menggunakan yang does nih. Dan kalau ada doesn't ataupun does, kembalinya ke verb 1 ya teman-teman ya. Tapi kalau I, you, they, we, atau ketika subjeknya lebih dari satu atau dua orang, seperti Sopo and Jarwo, nih for this one. Jadi kita bisa pakai yang verb one, that's really enough nih. Jadi nggak perlu ditambahkan s ya pada kata kerjanya. Dan untuk Ayu Dewi, dan ketika subjeknya lebih dari satu, kita bisa pakai yang don't ataupun do ketika kita ingin membuat kalimat positif ataupun interrogatif ya. Sorry, it's about negatif ataupun interrogatif. Contohnya teman-teman, ini berkasih contoh terlebih dahulu untuk merecall grammatical structures kita sebelumnya. For example, I try to put about entertain ya, menghibur. Kita pakai yang she. She entertains her mom. Nah, every day ya. She entertains her mom every day. Jadi dia perempuan menghibur ibunya setiap hari. Nah, jadi entertainnya ada S-nya. Tapi if I try to choose about doesn't, she doesn't entertain her mom every day for this one. Terus kalau kita ubah menjadi kalimat interrogatif, does she entertain her mom every day? Jadi kalau ada does ataupun doesn't, kita bisa menggunakan yang verb one saja nih. Oke. Oke. Mungkin ada yang mau mencoba teman-teman? Who dare to try to make a sentence from this? Ya. Bisa pakai doesn't, bisa pakai does, atau bisa pakai verb as ketika subjeknya she, he, it, atau upin. Ada juga are you, they, we, atau ketika subjeknya lebih dari satu, kita bisa pakai yang verb one. Jadi kalau if you was to say it's about negative, kita bisa pakai don't. Kalau untuk interrogatif bisa pakai yang do. Dan semua itu menggunakan yang verb one, nggak perlu ditambahkan s ya teman-teman. Oke, who dare to try to choose about this box of vocabulary ya? Kira-kira teman-teman mau pilih yang mana nih dari beberapa kata kerja ini, dari boil, calculate, catch, entertain, and also that we could find it about fold yang artinya melipat nih. Dan bebas ya teman-teman ya. Mau pilih lebih dari satu pun juga boleh nih. Okay, that's we have. It looks like Sis Eka nih. Berani mencoba. Silahkan Sis Eka. Mau pilih yang mana?
Thank you. Cat.
Catch. Oke.
My cat catch mouse.
Mm-mm. Nah, jadi kalau catch ditambahkan es ya. My cat
Okay. My cat
catches. Cara
catches.
pengucapan. Mm-mm.
Okay.
My
My cat
catch.
catches mouse.
Oke, that's correct for this one. Sis Eka pilih yang catch nih dan menggunakan yang verb S. Kenapa ditambahkan verb S? Dikarenakan kucing Sis Eka cuma satu ya. Oke, jadi bukan kucing-kucing, tapi cuma kucing aja. That's nice. And how about Bro David?
The keeper doesn't catch ball.
Mm-mm. The keeper doesn't catch the ball. Jadi kipernya cuma satu. Jadi ada doesn't juga. Jadi kembali ke verb one. That's correct about these. Bro David, siapa lagi? Who dare to try for this one ya? Oke, dari Sis Adele. Open your mic, Sis Adele.
I catch your eyes.
I catch your eyes. That's correct about this one, Sis Adele. And how about you, Sis Sophia?
I choose fold.
Mm-mm.
She folds her clothes at the laundry room.
That's correct for this one, Sis Sophia ya. Berarti kalau at cuma di ruangan ini aja ya, laundry ya. Nah, tapi kalau in nanti di dalam. Nah, di dalam ruangan laundry itu bisa digunakan dua-duanya ya, Sis Sophia. Jadi tidak usah bingung. Jadi artinya aja nanti yang membedakan nih. Kalau in berarti di dalam.
In or at is okay, right?
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Tapi yang bedakan cuma artinya aja ya, Sis Sophia ya. Jadi
Okay.
kalau at kan di aja, tapi kalau mau di dalam nanti bisa pakai yang in. Nih, jadi kita lihat dari meaningnya ya, biar tidak bingung nih. Oke, this is Sis Sophia. And how about you, Sis Beta? Mau pilih yang mana, Sis Beta?
Boil.
Boil. Oke, merebus apa nih kira-kira ya?
My mom boils the eggs in the pot.
That's correct for this one, Sis Beta. Jadi ini ada my mom, dan my momnya cuma satu, jadi bisa tambahkan verb S. That's correct nih. And Sis Yani?
My mom boils a potato every morning.
Okay, that's correct about this one ya, Sis Yani. And how about you, Sis Angel?
I watch how she boils the cassava.
It's about the cassava that you say it's about the Sis Angels ya. And how about you, Sis Lala?
I boil my noodles in the kitchen.
Okay, that's correct for this one, exactly, Sis Lala. And how about Bro Shiva?
Okay, bro. I like entertain my family.
Nah, jadi kalau Bro Shiva pakai yang verb one, entertain ditambahkan to ya. I like to
I like to.
entertain. Sekali lagi coba.
I like to entertain my family.
Okay, that's correct for this one ya. Jadi kalau ada verb one-nya, jadi harus ditambahkan to. That's nice for this. And also, how about you, Sis Ani? Rohayani, mau pilih yang mana?
Boil.
Merebus apa nih, Sis
boil.
Ani?
I boil potato for grandma every night.
Okay, that's correct. I boil this case of potato, yeah. So there goes sis Annie. And how about you, sis Alma?
We don't catch a dragonfly.
We don't catch dragonfly. That's correct, sis Alma, yeah. And how about you, sis Susinta?
I calculate my money.
I calculate my money. That's nice, sis Susinta, yeah. And how about the other one? Nih? Who dares to try it? Nobody wants to raise your hand? Okay. Or maybe it looks like Bro Satria or Bro Leo.
Hello.
Come on.
I calculate sales result at grocery store.
That's correct about this one, Bro Leo. Bro Satria?
She doesn't boil potato for breakfast.
She doesn't boil, bener ya. Jadi kalau ada she menggunakan yang doesn't. That's really nice, Bro Satria and Bro Leo ya. Bro Farel, mau pilih yang mana Bro Farel?
Boil.
Boil juga. Okay, come on.
My brother boil noodle.
Okay, my brother boil noodle. All right, that's correct about this one, Bro Farel. And how about Sis Aziza, maybe? That you wants to try it?
I calculating the salary.
Nggak perlu pakai ing. I calculate.
I calculate the salary.
Okay, that's nice. Jadi nggak perlu pakai ing ya for this one. Jadi langsung aja calculate. Nice, Sis Aziza. And Bro Fahmi. Mau pilih yang mana nih kira-kira Bro Fahmi?
Entertain.
Entertain nih. Menghibur siapa kira-kira?
I entertain myself when I'm sad.
That's correct. For this one, exactly Bro Fahmi ya. Di-combine ya. Antara yang verbal dan juga nominal. Tepat nih Bro Fahmi. Right. And how about... Wah, Sis, that's a part of... Sis Yani mau coba lagi?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, come on.
Cashier calculates money after closing the market.
Sekali lagi, Sis Yani.
Cashier calculates money after closing the market.
Oke, tepat sekali ya. Cashier that you try to put as a subject ya. Tepat, Sis Yani. Kalau ada yang mau coba lagi, that you could raise your hand ya, teman-teman ya. Atau mungkin Sis Septi or Sis Naila.
I want to try fold. I fold the paper.
I fold the paper. That's nice, Sis Septi ya. Sis Naila?
Entertain.
Entertain. Wah, menghibur siapa nih?
I entertain my friends.
Okay, I entertain my friend. Okay, that's correct, Sis Naila ya. Sis Aziza, that you want to try it again? Go on.
Are you calculating salary?
Nggak bisa pakai ing.
Nggak bisa. Oh, nggak bisa
Soalnya
pakai
nggak.
itu.
Ini
pakai
present tense
effort.
ya.
Oh. Okay.
Apa nih? For this one that you could make it ya.
Salary berarti calculate tetap.
Jadi bisa pakai do you. Do you calculate kalau present tense.
Oh, do you calculate?
Do you calculate the salary ya. Okay. And how about you? Samsung? Or maybe Sis Nurma? Apakah ada suaranya nih?
Okay. Mother. Halo.
Halo. Yang mana, Kak?
Yang mana nih? Which one?
Sis Samsung dulu, habis itu Sis Nurma ya.
Okay. Mother entertains the little boy not to cry.
Okay, mother entertains. That's correct ya, Samsung. And how about you, Sis Nurma?
My sister folds her dress.
Okay, my sister folds her dress. That's correct ya. Wah, pakai yang hari juga. That's nice, Sis Nurma ya. Jadi gaunnya nih. Or maybe it looks like Sis Adinda. or Sis Luigi? Wah, ada Sis Adinda, silakan.
The way she entertains her friends is cool.
Okay, that's correct, Sis Adinda. And how about it looks like Bromawi or Sis Maylin?
We entertain a sick grandmother.
Okay, that's correct, Sis Maylin ya. Bromawi?
I calculate my income every week.
Okay, I calculate income every week. Okay, nice. Fazia? There's
My
nothing. Oh, ada.
yang boil.
Boil, okay. Silakan Bro Fazia.
My mother boils vegetable.
That's correct for this one, Bro Fazia. And how about Sis Amalia or maybe Sis Ria Widya?
Fold.
Mm-mm.
They fold our clothes.
They fold our clothes. Yeah, okay, correct, Sis Ria.
My
Sis
brother
Amalia?
boil soup noodle.
Okay, that's correct about this one. Sis Amalia for this. And how about it looks like Bro Ashraf?
He calculates my money.
That's correct for this one ya. Di combine juga my juga nih. And Sis Luigi?
He calculates his money every time.
Oke, that's correct ya. Every time-nya juga digunakan. Nice, Sis Luigi. Sis Yani mau mencoba lagi? Silakan Sis Yani.
Okay, thank you. The singer entertains their songs with their songs ya, with the song every day.
Okay, that's correct.
Every night,
Every
maybe.
night. Oke, setiap malam ya. That's
Yeah.
nice. That you try to put about the singer ya, Sis Yani ya. Benar sekali ya. Jadi cuma satu nih, the singer ya. Oke, jadi juga pakai yang the ya for this one nih. And Sis Sofia?
Okay. She doesn't fold her clothes, but her mom does.
But her mom does, correct for this one. Jadi ibunya yang melakukan ya, benar sekali si Sofia ya. Her mom does. Jadi kalau does itu juga bisa artinya melakukan kalau kita mau menggunakan sebagai kata kerja ya. Tepat sekali si Sofia. Okay, that's nice for this. Okay, so there's a part of the verbal sentence that you have tried to make it. And next for there's another challenge. I'm gonna give you about this another box of vocabulary here. That's why you could make it about the nominal sentence ya. Jadi teman-teman nanti bisa juga digunakan untuk membuat kalimat nominal ya. Ketika tidak ada kata kerjanya nih for this one. And that you could say it's about parent, orang tua. Ada juga mother, itu lebih ke ibu ya. Ada juga father, lebih ke ayah. Ada sibling, saudara kandung. And also that you could say it's about brother, saudara laki-laki. And sister, saudara perempuan nih. And that we could find it's about relative ya. Jadi kalau kita mau bilang saudara jauh, teman-teman, kita bisa ucapin relative. Ada juga uncle, lebih ke paman. And aunt, itu lebih ke bibi. And grandparent, itu lebih ke kakek dan nenek ya. Tapi kalau grandfather, itu lebih ke kakek aja nih. And grandma, itu lebih ke nenek ya. Ada juga cousin. Jadi cara bacanya bukan cousin ya, teman-teman ya. But we could say it's about cousin. And also that we could find it's about spouse, pasangan suami istri. And also ada juga husband, suami. And also that we could find it's about wife, it's about istri. And also that we could find it's about child, itu lebih ke anak ya teman-teman. And son, anak laki-laki. And daughter, anak perempuan. Ada juga nephew, keponakan laki-laki. Mungkin di sini ada yang memiliki beberapa keponakan laki-laki ya, that you could say it's about nephew. And daughter, itu lebih ke keponakan perempuan nih. So, misal teman-teman that you try to make a sentence from the nominal sentence ya. Don't forget that you could make about the adjective ya. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan yang adjektifnya atau kata sifat ya. Jadi kalau dalam istilah grammatical structure kita bisa letakkan adjektif ya. Tapi kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia kita bisa sebutkan feeling biasanya ya. Now, for example, if you want to say it's about this and that you try to combine with our possessive adjective before, ketika kita menggunakan her, my, atau mungkin pakai your ya. For example ya, my father is kind ya. Jadi ayahku baik hati. Jadi kita bisa menyebutkan sebuah feelingnya ya. My father is kind. Atau mau menyebutkan sebuah profesi juga. Nih. For example, her uncle is. Nah, her uncle is a chef ya. Jadi pamannya seorang koki. Jadi pamannya dia perempuan ya teman-teman ya. Or maybe if you was to put about adverb of place ya. Atau keterangan tempat nih ya. That you could say it's about his brother is in His brother is in Japan ya. Jadi kalau nama kota atau nama negara bisa pakai in ya teman-teman ya. Jadi saudara laki-lakinya berada di Jepang nih. His brother is in Japan nih. Tapi kalau semisal that you try to put about kayak office or maybe it looks like a cinema, kita bisa pakai at or maybe in. Tapi kalau untuk nama kota atau nama negara, kita bisa pakai this only in ya teman-teman ya. That you could say it's about that. Mungkin ada yang mau mencoba membuat kalimat nominal ya. Jadi tidak ada kata kerja atau tindakan di dalamnya nih teman-teman. Menggunakan beberapa box of vocabulary here nih. Ada juga grandson ya kan, grandchild like this one that you could make it for these. And also that we can say it's about mother-in-law ya. Wah, ada ternyata Bro Leo. Kira-kira Bro Leo mau pilih yang mana ya?
I just great grandfather. My great grandfather is a sailor.
That's correct about this one, Bro Leo. That you try to put about the profession ya. Oke, tepat sekali. And how about you, Sis Alma?
His wife is a teacher.
Okay, that's correct for this one. And how about you, Sis Eka?
Sorry. My grandchildren are in Jakarta.
My grandchildren are. Benar ya. Jadi kalau beda satu pakai yang are. Tepat sekali, Sis Eka nih. Dan menyebutkan nama kota ya. In Jakarta for this. Okay. And how about the other nih? Wah, there is Bro David nih. That you tried for that. Come on, Bro David.
Grandmother from Medan.
Ditambahkan is. My grandmother is from.
My grandmother is from East Medan.
That's correct about this one, Bro David ya. Jadi menyebutkan sebuah tempat asal nih. And Sis Yeni, silakan Sis Yeni.
Yes, I want to try son-in-law.
Son-in-law, come on.
Son-in-law is work at the IKEA.
Nah, jadi kalau it's kind of ada work itu kan kata kerja Sis Yeni. Jadi nggak perlu pakai is, berarti son-in-law works in. Jadi langsung aja works-nya nih. Work in IKEA. Okay, that's nice, Sis Yeni. Saya kan bekerja ya for this one ya. Yeah, that's correct, Sis Yeni. And Sis Lala?
I want to try. My father is very handsome, and his job is as a teacher in an elementary school.
Okay, that's correct about this one, Sis Lala ya. Pakai his job juga ya, pekerjaannya. Tepat, Sis Lala. That you try to combine between possessive adjective and nominal sentence. You're welcome. Sis Beta, how about you, Sis Beta?
I choose niece. Their niece is very beautiful.
Their niece is very beautiful. Okay, that's correct about this one, Sis Beta. And how about you, Sis Sofia?
My niece is a nice person, and she's a model also.
Okay, that's correct about this one, Sis Sofia. Did you try to put about My niece nih. And how about the other one nih? Or maybe this is Adele that she wants to try.
My mother is beautiful.
My mother is beautiful. That's correct for this. Belum ada yang Raisen lagi. Or that we could say it's about Bro Satria. There's nothing. Wow. Or maybe this Aziza. Does you have raise your hand?
I want to try sister.
Mm-mm.
My sister is very talkative.
Mm-mm. My sister is very talkative. That's correct about that is Aziza ya. And this Ani? Rohayani?
I want to try son.
Mm-mm.
I have a handsome son.
Oke. Coba cara mengucapkannya son. I have
Son.
a handsome
I
son.
have a handsome son.
Okay, that's a really cool, says Ani ya. And how about you, sis Ria?
I want to try. My husband is a caregiver in Japan.
That's correct about this one, sis Ria nih. And how about you, bro? Shiva?
Okay, bro, I want to try sibling ya.
Sibling, okay.
His mother's that's my sibling.
Jadi nggak perlu pakai it's about. Jadi kan maksudnya ini memiliki atau melakukan kalau does nih? Atau bukan?
Bukan.
Oh, bukan. Jadi
bukan.
bisa pakai isn't atau is not.
Oh, is not. Yeah.
Berarti
His mother's isn't my sibling.
Benar. His mother isn't my sibling. Okay, that's correct about this one, Bro Shiva ya. Dikarenakan tidak ada kata kerjanya bisa pakai is not ya. Kalau untuk yang nominal tersebut nih. And how about si Susinta?
My boyfriend is a doctor.
That's correct for this one, si Susinta. And how about you, si Siani?
Cucu ya.
Yeah.
Granddaughter born last month.
That's correct for this one, exactly. And how about you, Bro Fahmi? Which one that you want to choose it ya? Mau pilih yang mana kira-kira Bro Fahmi?
Brother at the mall.
Parent, gimana?
Her brother are at the mall.
Are at the mall ya. Okay, that's correct for this one, Bro Fahmi. And how about you, sis Sofia?
My mother-in-law is in the hospital right now.
That's correct about this one, sis Sofia. And sis Angel, come on, sis Angel.
Kalau my parent tuh pakai are apa is?
Pakai is.
Okay. My parent is a teacher and they teach me how to read.
Okay, that's correct for this one ya. Nah, jadi kalau sis Angel mau ditambahkan, kalau mau pakai are, jadi parents-nya tuh ada s-nya. My parents are nih. Tapi kalau my parent aja, kan orang tua ya. Nah, that you can use about is, that's already enough nih. Okay, so that's correct everyone that you have tried to make a sentence from this. And let's get started about our practice ya. Kita mulai latihan kita teman-teman. Nanti silahkan teman-teman coba untuk mendeskripsikan diri sendiri ya. That you try to describe about your hair, about your nose like that, or maybe about your eyes, or that you could describe about your body too ya. And also that you could describe about your lips ya. Teman-teman juga bisa mendeskripsikan bibir teman-teman juga. Or maybe that you could describe about your, it's kinds of skin tones juga ya, atau warna kulit nih. Oke, kita mulai latihan kita. Setelah itu nanti akan bro kasih feedback ya. I'm gonna give you feedback after that nih. Nanti silakan saling bergantian untuk berlatih teman-teman. That you could practice with your friend about describing. 3, 2, 1, and let's go teman-teman. Okay, so we're back again on our main room ya teman-teman ya. Kita sudah kembali lagi di main room kita. So let's get started about our 1 minute challenge. That's why I could give you about the corrections of the practice that you have it before nih. Kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba that you could raise your hand nih. Teman-teman yang berani mencoba langsung aja. Kan bro kasih koreksi setelah teman-teman berlatih di breakout room tadi ya. Wow, there is Sis Eka. Come on Sis Eka, please try to describe about yourself. Silahkan dideskripsikan diri sendirinya ya.
Okay, thank you, Bro Yud. I would like to describe myself. I have bright brown skin with straight hair and white eyes. I have flat nose too and thick lips. My height is 163 centimeters and my weight is 52 kilos. So I think I have a proportional body, maybe.
Okay. Dasar Sis Eka ya, di-combine antara yang I have juga my height dan juga my weight juga. Okay, that you try to combine between verbal and nominal sentence. That's really cool. Jadi nggak ada yang miss ya Sis Eka ya, confidence-nya oke sekali dan sangat tenang, and that's a really great when you try to put about your specific weight nih for this one. Okay, it's a perfect for that Sis Eka. And next ada juga Sis Aziza. Silakan Sis Aziza.
Hi partner, I want to describe myself. My eyes are round, my eyebrow is thick black, my hair is long straight, thick black, my skin is white, and my body is not tall and not fat. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome, Sis Aziza. Wow, that's your confidence, that's really cool ya. That you try to put about your eyebrow ya. Berarti alisnya ya, Sis Aziza ya. Nah, alis kira-kira satu atau sepasang?
Sepasang.
Sepasang berarti pakai R ya. Itu aja ya berarti. Jadi kayak sesuatu yang my eyebrows are nih for this one, dikarenakan my eyebrows-nya sepasang jadi bisa pakai yang R. Sama seperti eyes nih for this one. Eyes kan juga sepasang. Jadi bisa ya pakai R juga. Itu aja ya untuk koreksinya. You're welcome Sis Aziza. Untuk pengucapannya aman, sangat jelas dan sangat ini ya. Nggak ada yang miss nih for this one. Okay, that's perfect for that. And how about you Sis Alma?
Hello, friends. I would like to describe to you about myself. I'm a tall body with 162 centimeter. My hair is straight and I have white eyes. My lips is thin. Then my skin tone is creamy yellow. Thank you.
Nah, for this one ya. Okay, that's really cool Sis Alma. That's your really confident. That's your confident. That's really good ya. My lips nih. Lip kira-kira sepasang atau satu? Sepasang. Jadi pakai R dong. Kalau satu kan berarti cuma di atas doang dong. Dan sebanyak lip ya. Jadi pakai yang R. Itu aja ya Sis Alma ya. Untuk lips juga pakai yang R. Itu koreksinya. You're welcome Sis Alma. Tinggalkan terus ya. Kepercayaan dirinya sudah sangat oke sekali. Sis Jihan nih. Finally terdengar suara Sis Jihan. Come on, it's your turn.
Hi partner, I would like to describe myself. My eyes are white eyes, then my hair is curly, then my nose is point nose, and my lips are thick lips, and my skin is bright brown, and my body is ideal body.
Okay, that's a perfect Sis Jihan untuk penyusunan kalimatnya, nggak ada yang miss. And that's a perfect pronunciation too. And you're confident, that's really good ya. Tinggalkan terus, dikarenakan udah oke banget untuk kepercayaan dirinya nih. Sis Lala, how about you Sis Lala? Please try to describe about yourself, Sis Lala.
Okay, everyone. I would like to describe myself. I have salmon eyes and I have creamy yellow skin tone. And my body is tall and skinny, but not more skinny. My nose is pointed nose, but not more pointed nose. And I have a small face and chubby cheeks. Thank you.
You're welcome, Sis Lala ya. That's a perfect for this one ya. and that's really detailed when you try to explain about this one. Gak ada yang miss ya salah. Tingkatkan terus confidence-nya oke sekali. That's a really great preparation for that. You're welcome. Bro Ashraf, wih. Aduh, masa ini cuma satu-satunya cowok yang coba this only Bro Ashraf nih. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go Bro Ashraf.
Okay. Hello, friend. I would like to describe myself. I have my eyes are round, then my hair straight hair, then my body is ideal body, and my skin white.
Okay, that's perfect. About this one, Bro Ashraf, nggak ada yang miss ya untuk penyusunan kalimatnya. And that's your confidence. That's a really great. Keep it up for that. That's a really great. And next that we have about Sis Adinda. Come on, Sis Adinda.
Hi, friends. Since I'm not able to turn on my camera, I will describe myself physically. I am 165 centimeter tall and I weigh 48 kilo. My skin tone is light to medium with a neutral undertone. I have a short bob haircut with a mix of black and brown hair color. I have round eyes, a flat nose, and full lips. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, Sis Adinda. That's a perfect explanations and that's a really good preparations too. And your confidence is really great ya. Aman untuk penyusunan kalimatnya juga nih. Sis Nurma, it's your turn.
Hello, friends. I would like to describe myself. My body is skinny and my eyes are white. Then my hair is straight, my skin is creamy yellow, and my nose is pointed. Then my lips are thick. Thank you.
You're welcome, Sis Nurma. When you try to explain about this one, yes, you're really confident for this ya. Jadi sangat percaya diri sekali. So really good for this. Jadi tingkatkan terus for this one ya. And for the preparation, that's really great. And that you really good for that things nih. Jadi perfect ya, Sis Nurma, nggak ada yang miss nih. Siapa lagi nih? You dare to try it? That you could say it's about your appearance ya. Nah, jadi untuk mendeskripsikan jadi teman-teman ya. Wah, ada Sis Beta. Come on, Sis Beta.
Hello, partner. I would like to describe myself. Well, I have small black eyes and my hair is short and its color is brown. I have also cute chubby cheek and my nose is sharp. Thank you.
Wow, that's correct for this one ya. That you try to put the boy sharp for your nose ya. Okay, this is really great, Sis Beta, when you try to explain it. And for the grammatical structure too, that's awesome for this one ya. Okay, that you try to put about the great grammatical structures. Jadi seperti itu ya teman-teman ya. When you try to describe about yourself and it's a really great. Jadi kalau mau di-combine menggunakan have juga boleh banget. Atau semisal openingnya teman mau pakai hi partners atau hello everyone itu juga bisa. Or maybe that you say it's about hello guys for this one, this never wants you, or maybe that you try to start the greeting, that you try to hello friends, itu juga bisa ya teman-teman ya. It's up to you for the opening for that ya. But it's a part of the thing that you dare to open your mic ya. Jadi ketika teman-teman berani untuk membuka mic-nya itu jauh lebih bagus ya, because it's a part of our practice ya. Ini bagian dari practice kita. When we try to get about the speaking ability, we should practice every day for this one. All right, so thank you, that's everyone that you have tried to describe about yourself. And today that's already active ya, hampir semua aktif ya. When I give you a challenge to make a sentence, I'm really glad. And all of you dare to open your mic and that you dare to try to speak for this one without worry about making a mistake ya, tanpa khawatir untuk membuat kesalahan. Jadi karena kan membuat kesalahan itu normal banget ya teman-teman ya. That's really normal if you try to make a mistake when you speak nih ya, for that. Because it's about the spontaneous like this one. And also it's a part of your learning progress too. Thank you that you have to join us our class and give applause to our friend who have tried about our 1 minute challenge. Kasih tepuk tangan yang meriah untuk teman-teman kita yang sudah mencoba 1 minute challenge ya. Ada Sis Eka, Sis Aziza, Sis Alma, Sis Jihan, Sis Lala, Bro Ashraf, Sis Adinda, Sis Nurma, and also Sis Beta. Wow, cowoknya cuma Bro Ashraf aja di hari ini ya. Udah to try it. Mana nih cowok-cowok yang lain ya? I hope that tomorrow that you could try to do for this one. Thank you for coming teman-teman. Thank you for joining. Kita ketemu lagi besok ya. And see you tomorrow.